Okay, so we've just seen the setting up of our Firebase project. Well, we haven't fully set it up yet, but our new project is ready. So we click continue. It opens up here and we move down to the left hand side where we're going to select real-time database. Once we've selected that, and it's going to tell us to create our database, we're going to select United States. That's fine. Click next. We're going to start in test mode. Click enable. We're going to see in a moment that we're going to change some of the rules. So I'm going to just jump up here to the rules. I'm going to change these two rules here. I'm going to change that one, delete all that and put in true. And change this one to true also. Okay, and I'm going to publish that. Respected lines, so what have I got? Oh, no code there. And just click publish now, and we should be sorted on that for a moment, and I'll come back to you in a second then. So we've got our project ready to rock and roll here. Look at this link to our project, which we'll be doing in the next video.